Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kit Holmes. It is time for One Mind Wednesday, the last One Mind Wednesday of 2025. It is New Year's Eve. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I've got my blingy blue on. Blue, obviously my favorite color. Just want to give a little sparkle as we say goodbye to this year. A very transformative year in so many ways. Certainly in my life, on the personal scale, on a global scale, on the scale of the United States and everything else that's going on, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, physically. I know we could all name many, many things that we have been through. And guess what? We're still here. We're still here. So what I wanted to have you consider today is that idea that yes, it is New Year's Eve. We turn the clock. We start a new calendar, a new year tomorrow. I know in parts of the world that's already happening. But to remember that this process, as I say in the description of this post, whether it is a resolution you're considering or an evolution or a revolution, remember that everything is cyclical. Every day is cyclical. Every hour, everything is built on cycles. The human experience is a cycle of birth, life, death, rebirth, if you believe in the rebirth of the soul. Everything, the seasons, you get it. So behind all of that, the message is, remember that. It's not a one and done. We put incredible pressure on ourselves to, I'm going to change this, I'm going to change it overnight, I'm going to redo this, I'm going to bring this into my life, I'm going to let go of this in my life. It's not a one and done. It happens in layers, it happens in spirals, it happens in seasons and cycles. The planet itself goes through its own cycle around the sun. All the planets do. You get what I'm saying here. So the idea here is, as I like to say, because I say it to myself often, is be gentle with this. I don't want to use the word realistic, but be gentle. You know yourself. And if you're getting to know yourself better, give yourself the gift of patience and taking a breath now and then and saying, this too shall pass, if it's something that you would really like to get through. And also remember that this is all about the learning, so that we don't keep cycling the stuff we don't want to experience anymore, because it will. That's what happens in consciousness. We will keep getting the lesson. We will keep getting the opportunity to do something differently until we learn how to do it differently. So go easy, go easy, go easy, go easy. Yeah, and you're making progress. Baby steps, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Baby steps, baby breaths. All right, I wish you a joyful, abundant, healthy, happy, love-filled, peaceful 2026. And put that little affirmation on your refrigerator or on your bathroom mirror, on your home screen of your phone or your computer, to just say, everything is cyclic in nature. All right. I will see you next week for One Mind Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following. Thank you for all the things that we do to stay in touch. All right. Remember that we are all a part of the one mind, which means we are in this together. We are all in this together, so kindness matters. And love is indeed the only answer. I love you all dearly. I will see you next week and next year. Take care.